if you use this sound, I will be commenting on your videos because I seen other YouTubers do it and I had to start doing it. So comment on this video and yeah, I guess. So yeah, try to get as many shorts on there, like maybe even 100K. I don't know, like a lot though. And I will try to comment on every single one, but I will try my best. I will just comment on every video if I can. So if you use the sound, yeah, I'll comment on every single video. So yeah, see ya.